116th Philippine Independence Day. Dili lalim nga makatigom na og kapin sa usa ka gatos ka tuig nga kita ginaingon nga duna tay kagawasan. Today is not your ordinary day. It is not your usual no class, no work holiday. It is a day specially made for all of us to contemplate on and know the true meaning of being free. It is a day of thanksgiving. Let us all give our gratitude to all our heroes whose lives were spent to attain our independence. This celebration is to give justice to the battles that our ancestors have fought. May the painful bloodshed of the past not be put in vain, but instead be the strength and inspiration of this generation. Today, we should stand proud of our heritage. Let us show to the entire world that we, the brown race, is now on its feet and ready to hurdle the challenges of the times. Let us honor and love our motherland who have nurtured us and provide us with abundant natural resources. Today, let us show our commitment to protect our homeland and its territories and be able to contribute the social and economic upliftment of our country. Let us hand in hand make Philippines once again a great nation. I enjoined everyone to be patriotic because it has been proven around the world that patriotism is a vital or essential catalyst of growth. I believe that we will achieve our dreams if we just follow the footsteps of our great Filipino heroes and forefathers and be able to bring about widespread and lasting change. I emphasize the lasting change. Kanang kausaban na tinuuray, kanang kausaban na gikan gyud sa atong hunahuna o sa atong dughan nga maghatag o hinumduman sa atong mga kabataan. The future is in our youth. I will make an emphasis that what we are doing now is a celebration that will plant a seed for the future of this country through our youth. So moingon ko kaninyong tanan, onwards, Municipality of Consolacion, padayon kita. Onwards, Province of Cebu, iampo nato ang probinsya nga siya magpadayon nga maanindot nga Queen City of the South, and of course, onwards, Republic of the Philippines, atong panimuhaon, atong ampuon nga ang Pilipinas magpapiling nga Pilipinas, Pearl of the Orient Sea. Daghang salamat ug mayong butang kanatong kami.